Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Coinbase wallet to your PayPal. The same is on Coinbase application if you're using a phone. All you have to do is first of all go ahead to your cryptocurrency and basically sell it for euros, US dollars, or whatever currency, fiat currency you are using. So for me it's euros. You want to click explore assets, and from here, as you can see, you can go ahead and sell to Euro wallet. After you will sell it to Euro wallet, you will see your total balance here, which you can go ahead and click these three dots and click withdraw. And here you can go ahead and enter the amount, but if you haven't added the payment method, you need to go ahead and add. So click payment method, add payment method here. And as you can see, you can use PayPal account to instantly buy crypto or withdraw funds on Coinbase. So click on PayPal. After that, you will be able to go ahead and enter your email and enter your password and log into your PayPal. After you will do this, your payment method will be added here and you will have it on your Coinbase. And after this, you will be able to see your payment methods here when you cash out. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.